In today's video, I'm going to teach you step by step how to insert charts from Google Sheets in Google Slides. If you already have your data charted in Google Sheets, bringing it into Slides keeps your presentation consistent and up to date. Start by opening Google Slides and loading the presentation where you want the chart to live. Give the file a moment to open fully so menus and thumbnails finish loading. Next, move to the specific slide where the chart should appear. It helps to choose a clean layout with enough space, but any slide will work. Now look to the top toolbar and click Insert. When the menu opens, hover over Chart. You'll see options for built-in chart types, but to reuse one you've already made in Sheets, choose from Sheets. A window will pop up showing your recent spreadsheets. Select the file that contains the chart. If you're signed into multiple Google accounts, make sure you're in the one with access to that sheet. If you don't see it right away, use the search bar at the top or switch to the Shared with Me section to locate team files you have access to. Once the spreadsheet loads in the picker, you'll see the charts detected inside it. Click the one you want to use so it's highlighted, then confirm by clicking Insert. Your chart drops onto the slide as a linked object, which means it can stay synchronized with its source data. It brings over the same labels, colors, and titles you set up in Sheets, so your design stays consistent. Try aligning it with existing text boxes or images. To keep your slide balanced, you can click and drag the corners to resize it while keeping the proportions, and drag from the middle to reposition it. Use the on-screen alignment guides to center it or line it up with other elements so everything looks tidy. If your data changes later in Google Sheets, return to this slide and look for the Update button that appears near the chart. Click Update to refresh the chart with the latest numbers, labels, and formatting pulled straight from the sheet. This is especially helpful when you're finalizing a deck right before a meeting and want absolute accuracy without recreating visuals. And that's it. Your Google Sheets chart is now embedded in your Google Slides presentation, ready to present and easy to keep current. This workflow saves time, reduces manual copying, and ensures your audience sees the most recent data every time you present. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more Google Slides tips and tutorials.